Hey, Brian Sensei here. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create an online survey using Microsoft Forms. Let's check it out. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is head on over to office.com. Once here, we're going to click on our app switcher that looks like the waffle, and we're going to look for Forms. If you don't see it, go to All Apps. And here it is, Forms. Okay, once here, we're going to start a new form by clicking here. All right, now I am going to be creating a survey so that I can get feedback from the students at Brian Sensei's School of Rock. So I'm going to first give it a title. It's going to be the School of Rock feedback. Now, we have AI built into Microsoft Forms. You'll see here that it's already recommending questions for my survey based on my title. How cool is that? So if I wanted to, I could go ahead and select the recommended questions. However, in this case, I'm going to go ahead and start my own question. So I'll click Add Question Now. This is going to be a multiple choice question, so I will select Choice. Here, I'm going to ask my student to tell me who their current instructor is. In the option fields, I can go ahead and type all of the options that I would like them to select from. I can add more options here and go ahead and rename these options. Okay, and if you'd like to change the order of these options, you can simply click here and drag to move those around. You can also add an other option that allows the audience to fill in their own response. By default, they can only select one option, but if you want to allow more than one option, you can go ahead and turn on multiple answers, and you can set a limit to how many answers they can select. And then this option here, I recommend that you make it required so that you make sure that they answer the question without accidentally skipping over it. When they click submit, if they have not completed this question, it will notify them so that they can go back and complete it. All right, now we can scroll down and add our next question. Again, we still have question recommendations if we'd like to use them. In this case, I'm going to start with my own. I'll click Add New. And for this next question, this will be a rating. So I'll go ahead and choose the rating option here. How would you rate the overall effectiveness of your instructor? We've got a 5-star rating here. We could change the levels. I can go all the way up to 10 stars or just 2. Over here, if we don't want stars, we can choose hearts or ribbons or thumbs up or smiley faces, etc. Notice that it already marked it a required question. This is your artificial intelligence at work. All right, next question. We're going to do the Likert scale. These are nice when you want to ask multiple questions and allow the audience to provide their opinions about those various topics. So our question at the top will be, please rate the following aspects of the lessons you attended. Then we're going to type in our statements over here at the left. We're going to rate the instruction. We're going to rate the knowledge of the instructor. And we're going to add more statements here. We're going to rate the homework. Now, up at the top, this is where we will type in our detailed ratings. Notice here, as I begin to type them in, I'm now getting suggestions up here at the top. This is the AI at work. If I want, I could add all of these suggestions or select the ones I would like to add. I'm going to go ahead and add them all. If you would like to remove them, you've got the garbage can to delete them. And if you'd like to add more, you can click here, Add Option. Notice it's already required for me, and I can go on to the next question. This last one will be open-ended. I'm going to click Add New again, and I'll do text. This allows the audience to type in any type of response through text. Is there anything else you would like to share about the instruction? And we have an option here to make it a longer form answer. Just in case someone likes to type a lot, we can go ahead and open that up. Again, it's already set as required. Now, something else I want to call out, within your questions, you can add images. So for every question you create, you can go ahead and click on this little image icon, and you can add an image to go with your question. You can also add an image at the title of your survey as well. When you click into edit, simply click the image icon here. And what I love about this is you can instantly begin searching the web for images. Also, you'll notice here we have the option to search for results of images tagged with Creative Commons licenses. Find the image you like, go ahead and select it, and click Add. Notice here you can also upload your own image, or you can browse images that you have stored on your OneDrive. Let's add it. And boom, shakalaka, we now have an image that goes with our title. All right, and finally we can put some style to it. If we click on style, we have a variety of options down here. We can select the different options to see what they'll look like for the audience filling out your form. And you can also select colors if you'd like to change the theme color. You can even turn on background music that will play while your users fill out your form. Finally, you'll want to preview your survey. You're going to go ahead and click on preview here, and this will show you what it will look like, and you can actually fill out the survey and make sure that everything works. Submit, fantastic, it all worked. We can go back here and you'll see that there is a response already. That was actually my response, and you can clear it by clicking the More menu here, and I can delete all responses. Now I'm ready to send this out to my audience. In the next video, I'll show you how to collect responses by getting a link and sending it out to your audience. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. It doesn't cost you anything to do this, and it will help me keep my channel going. Also, if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.